Okay, we're going to cook some deviled eggs using air fryer. We have 8 eggs. We're going to put them in a little baking pan like that. And then we'll turn it on, air fryer, and we're going to go for 12 minutes. Okay, our egg now is cooked in the air fryer. We're going to get some cold water and we'll drop the egg in to cool the egg. Make it easier to peel the eggs. Now we're going to prepare our egg. Wow, look how good that is. Okay, so we take the egg yolk out of it and put them in here. Okay, now that you have all of the egg yolk are in there, in the center of that, you're now going to take the egg off the shelf, okay? So now we are going to mix mayonnaise in here. Double that amount of egg. You see that much, put double the amount of it. Whatever egg you have, it's okay. Mustard is about this size, so you go about. We put some ketchup in, about the same as a mustard. Then you're going to have salt. Just use your eyes to measure it. Pepper. And some vinegar. For this, tangy, probably a tablespoon. Now you can just mix them together. Use a 2 spoon to mix it. Right in here. Okay, so fill the egg right now. Now you're going to do topping. We'll cut some okra, some bell pepper, tomato, pickled okra, and sardine in olive oil. Let's chop the topping. Okay, and then we're going to take some of this sardine out and get it ready to topping good. So we're going to do topping with red, topping with tomato, topping with red, and then topping with pickle okra. And then now we're going to put some sardine on top. And then dump the rest of this into the center. Add a little bit of pepper to it. We just wipe it around here to make it pretty. You want some bell pepper in there?
Shows again.
Supreme devil egg.
Yeah, like that. Happy and healthy.
Have a happy and healthy New Year.